am Nikita H. Welcome to Code to Create channel. Before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Please do watch the video till the end, and if you liked it, please like it and share it with your friends. Friends, if you have any comments, please do comment below in the box. Let's go for it. In this video, we're going to see how to make a proximity sensor app. The first thing we do is we say start proximity sensor, and then it starts. And basically what is proximity sensor means, it just identifies the objects near us. If you try it on your virtual mobile, if you try it on your phone, you'll get that bell. And then when you say stop proximity sensor, it stops. And these are the lists simply for small information. So now let's go to file. This is my reference project. Let's go to file, new, and then new project. And then empty activity. Let's say next, and then let's name this as prox sensor. Okay, let's just name it as proximity underscore sensor. So let's just do it again. There was a spelling mistake, so I've just clicked on cancel. Let's go to next and name this up. Let's name this as proximity underscore sensor. And now let's hit enter. So yeah, the Gradle is building. Let's wait for it to build. Yeah, and before starting, let's just copy up the main activity, and then I'll be explaining you. Let's do Control C. Come up here, and then do Control V. Yeah. So first let's just split this up. Yeah. So it'll start, and then the stop. And then I've set the text, and then I've created a linear layout. Let's come to the code. We'll have to create a bit more files. Let's do that. Let's create a new Java class first. I'm naming this as splash screen. And in the layout, let's go to new and then layout resource file. And this one I'm naming this as activity underscore splash screen. And we need another Java class. Let's go to new Java class, and let's name this as my service. Yeah.
So let's first come to splash screen.java. Over here, let's write down the code. We'll just come here and then say extends app compat activity. And inside this, we are creating a handler. And then I'm saying handler is equal to new handler. Yeah. Okay, it's not all these stuffs. We are just saying that it's a new handler. And that's all, let's end it up. And then let's come down and then say at override protected void on create bundle and then saved instance state. Yeah, and let's say add supercall method. This was needed. And then let's come down and say set content view to r dot layout dot activity splash screen over here. Yeah, what is this error? Let's say implement methods. Okay, these are not needed, so let's say not needed. And let's come here, let's come down, let's say we are creating an intent over here. Let's say intent is equal to new intent, and then I'm saying splash c screen dot this comma main activity dot class. Yeah, so it's completed. Let's come down, let's end it up and come down, and then let's say start activity. Yeah, and inside this let's put out the intent. So before we put a new intent, actually there was another thing we need to do, that is create a new handler dot post delay. And let's just copy this first. I'll be pasting this code also, do not worry, I'll be pasting this code. Yeah, this much is a kind of mess that we might do spelling mistakes, so I'll just copy and paste it up. Yeah, but okay, this is fine, just leave it. And let's copy up this also, activity splash screen. And do not forget that the images we should okay. There is no error over here, I can't believe. Okay, just fine. Think this would be fine. Okay, that doesn't matter for us, so I'll just leave it. And let's first come here and then copy up the drawable. I knew that there would be something like this, so I'm copying it, coming here and coming to drawable and pasting it up. Yeah, so you saw the error is gone. Let's come to myservice.java. In my service, we'll have to, I'll just copy this up. It's a kind of big one. And I'll just be explaining you the whole thing. Let's also copy the imports. Just come up here and let's paste it. And I think, yeah, there's no header. Only the main activity.java is left. Activity.ml is completed. And my service is completed. Yeah, only the main activity.java is left. So I'll just do my copy work, and then the main thing is that we'll have to understand what is all these things. So let's just copy paste it, and don't worry, I'll be pasting the code in the description below. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with this. The my service, everything okay, so let's come to the splash screen and then let's just once copy it and paste it up. Let's complete this. Let's do Control C, come up here and then do Control V. Yeah, so there was some small mistake that would be absolutely fine. Let's first run it. By running it, I'll just be explaining you what are all those things. So the activity pane is just the design. Let's come to main activity and see what is there. So we have put a button start and a button stop. So we are saying that these button start and button stop are activities. And then we are calling the sensors. And then the sensor list all type. So we just listed all. So we just said write down all the types, button start and button stop. We just find view by ID. And then the on click, that's all is there over here. So when we say start, it just calls the proximity sensor and then say find out all the objects near you and then give the list of them. So that's how we use a proximity sensor. So now we know. So yeah, we have completed the app. So now we know how to make a proximity sensor app. That's great.
Thank you, friends. Bye bye.